Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Colorado work truck. This four-door truck has a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 134,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.